Today my group consisting of Sanjeev, Savesh, Sabharish and me will be presenting on our food project, the Pizza Prada. Add water to the dough. Make the flour into round balls just for measurement. You guys need to know that one ball is enough to make one pizza prata. Oil on the frying pan to allow the prata to fry and allow the prata to fry for a few minutes. You can flatten the dough in order for it to have the shape of the prata. First ingredient is cheese. So you can cut the cheese into small slices, and if you don't want to use cheese, this is fine as this ingredient is optional. In case you guys want to know why tofu is added in the dish, it is to add more flavor to the dish, and you can cut the tofu into small slices as well. Guys, after that you can cut the tomato into small pieces, and remember that I 2 tomatoes. Now comes the interesting part, the designing. You can design it in any way you prefer, and in this video we decided to present it in the burrito fashion. You guys can see that everyone, especially Savesh and Sanjeev, reacted very well to
Now I'm going to talk about the relevance of the dish and the ingredients to the theme of Singapore. We've chosen pizza as our main source of idea as it relates to the European colonization of many countries around the world, including Singapore, which was colonized by the British, hence making it seem as if the Europeans were a foundation. It has also been chosen because it originates from one of the countries in Europe. Our dish represents through the wide array of ingredients which are used for cooking purposes how there's racial harmony among the different races in Singapore. The ingredients used in this dish are all-purpose flour for the base, cheese, tofu, lettuce, cherry tomato, sausage, and tomato sauce. The reason why we've chosen all-purpose flour for the base is because flour is a very important staple for food in Singapore. One example of this is in bread. Cheese shows the influence of Europe in Singapore's development as it became a popular ingredient to add in many local dishes. Tofu promotes the significance of the Chinese in Singapore, which make up the larger percentage of the population. On the other hand, lettuce promotes the Malays as how they enhance our country with nutrients, because lettuce is a popular export from Malaysia. Cherry tomato represents how as a small city we can make a big impact, because cherry tomato was one of the key ingredients in the dish as it helped to enhance the flavor of the dish. Sausage is important to this food as it helps to provide nutrients for healthy red blood cells, showing that Singapore is a country that focuses on the health of its citizens. Tomato sauce represents the red color of a flag which symbolizes brotherhood. This project was a meaningful experience because through it, we learned to understand the culture of other people and saw how they contributed to the development of Singapore. Thus, through our dish, we've embraced the multiracial culture of Singapore and understood the importance of harmony. Thank you.